Ain't that something when a dude prettier than a girl? I don't mean that as a diss. I mean just the way that we present ourselves, the way that we express our gender and our sexuality. I mean, do the side by side. Who prettier? Who prettier, me or her? Who prettier? I rest my case. I shouldn't even be making jokes like that. I don't even listen to her music. I barely know anything about her. Don't even know how to say her name. I don't know if it's Young M.A or Young M.A. I don't know how she sounds. I don't know anything about her life. I just found a picture of her. Really, this is purely inspiration at the very literal sense. Like inspiration just because of the hairstyle. I don't know nothing about this person, but the style itself, I'm like, sure, we can take that and elaborate off of that. But everything else though, I don't know who she is. Do you know who she is? Give me a song about her that I should listen to, because apparently maybe I'm missing out on something. But see, I don't even know her music to judge. You know, and who are I to judge? Maybe she got a bop or two. Maybe she can spit some bars. Maybe she got rhymes. I don't know. Help me, okay? Help me out. Help me out. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back on after one more again, and this is a different kind of dreadlock tutorial. I haven't done something like this, I think, in a while, but also I haven't done something like this because I don't even listen to this person's music. Okay, so there's a rapper, Young M.A, Young M.A. I just want to do a look that use braids. And come to find out, the look that I was going for, she be doing this look a lot. So I just figured I would put two and two together, and here we are. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time. I need to stop doing this. Actually, I'm gonna explain why I've been doing this and what's going on. But to make a long story short, today's video, I'm just going to do kind of a redo of video that I've done before. I did this video. It was braids and braid outs. And upon looking at that particular video, I was not too pleased by the results, as you can see here. So I'm gonna try this again. And instead of doing just 3 locks per braid, I'm actually going to do 6 because I feel like that will make a better result for the braid out. One thing that I like to think about when I'm doing styles where my hair is either in twists or braids is kind of how it'll look when I take them out. And so it's kind of a pre-consideration for the style after you've done your actual twisted style. You know what I'm saying? Like, you plan it for the after effects, basically. Without any further ado, we're just gonna dive into this last one, okay? So, before we jump into this video though, watch the last video. I did a link check, and if you haven't seen that yet, you'll be surprised at how long my bundles are right now. So watch that first and then let's get to this video, okay? All right. So whenever I do a video where I'm braiding or twisting my hair, what I like to do first is to part my hair down the middle, so that way if I want to part my hair after I have styled it, as I'm dripping, like literally drooling on myself, that way the hair is already divided evenly. We'll do the right side first, so we'll just take all the locks on the left hand side. On the left hand side, and we're just gonna section them off like this. So this is kind of like an update video, like a redo like I said before, but also like an update of just how my life has been going and things of that nature. So I'm just trying to make sure, ooh, there we go, that we're in focus and we're good. So I've already retwisted my hair, as I suggest you do as well, but this is not, you know, a mandatory thing. But if you want your hair to look kind of nice, I would do that. One thing I think I will do, just for, you just spray a little bit of water. This is actually water and then a little bit of tea tree oil because of its, you know, antifungal, antiseptic properties. I figure might as well. So we'll just find some neighboring locks and braid it all together. But what's the tea? What's been going on with my life? So I haven't posted anything official like on any of my social media, but I did do the audition in New York at the Mann School of Music. They did send me an email about the results. I did get a no. So I'm not going to New York anytime soon, at least for educational or further music career purposes, which is fine. I've had, you know, time to to be upset about it and to sulk and to, you know, do the whole, oh, I didn't make it to the school I want to go to. So I did that for about 2 to 3 days, and now I've moved on past it. You know, it's like what Erykah Badu did in that one video where this girl was asking advice about a breakup. It's like you have to live through that emotion and really deal with it first. And then after you've dealt with it, then you can move on. But if you don't deal with it, then it'll just, that stuff will turn into remorse and regret, and then it'll come back uglier in different areas that aren't even related to the thing you meant about in the first place. So I guess we'll do horizontal plats basically, or horizontal sections for this. But yeah, so I'm not going to New York for school, which is fine. There's that. I just finished my first year of grad school, which is great because I was exhausted, still am exhausted. I did celebrate though. I did some, what'd I do? I went drinking Thursday night with Diana. And then I worked Friday on a party bus, which was really fun. And then I went out that night because we was done like 12:30, and I still had an hour and some change to drink, so I went and drank some more. Then went to my after party, and then didn't go to sleep until 5:30 that night. It was a long night, but it was fun though. Let's see, 6 more Locs. Yep, there's 6 more. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm just going horizontally across and then getting to the edge and then starting the braid. So yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so did that. That was fun. That's party life's going. But yeah, back to school. Yeah, so finished my first year of my master's. For those who don't know, I am getting a master's in music performance or instrumental music performance at Wichita State University in Wichita, Kansas. So I'm doing that. First year was hard, man. And you know what? That's actually why I haven't been uploading these last few weeks, because the last 2 weeks of school were just so busy. So imagine this tour schedule, basically. Like, it's a tour schedule. So I'm in orchestra and I'm in the wind ensemble. So the orchestra, we were doing an opera, Marriage of Figaro. I'm a percussionist, so I was playing the timpani part, right? So first there's that. Find another section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, cool. I think that works. Yeah, that works. So we had the Marriage of Figaro. We had the Marriage of Figaro for 4 performances. So Friday night, Saturday night, no, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday afternoon matinee, right? So there's that. Then, Sunday night, did we have, no, we didn't have rehearsal Sunday night. Then Monday, I had a dress rehearsal for a concert Tuesday night. I also had to play a concert Wednesday night because they needed another percussionist, so I did that. And then Thursday, do we have rehearsal Thursday night? Well, I had one at my church, so rehearsal for Thursday. So that's 6 performances and all these rehearsals, right? Then Friday night, I had a rehearsal that I had to go straight from that rehearsal to work at the bar. Sorry, y'all, my phone said ain't no more storage. But what was I talking about before all of that? I don't know what I was talking about, so I guess that conversation has ended. Moving on to the next thing. But yeah, so, oh, all the stuff I've been having to do. So yeah, a lot of stuff, Beyonce type shit with the scheduling and everything. And now I have one more final on Wednesday. It's a jury, for those who are not music students who don't know what a jury is. Essentially, it's a cumulative performance exam where you play all of the pieces or any of the music you've been working on throughout the semester for your professor, and usually a panel of professors, like 2 or 3 professors. So usually for us, for percussionists, it's usually our percussion professor and also the director of bands. So we usually have 2 people, which isn't too bad. So yeah, that's the last thing I have to do is my jury, my percussion jury, and then I'm free, which I'm so excited for. Like, oh my gosh. gosh. Oh, that hit me right on my lip. Oh my God. Watch, it's gonna swell. I'm not bleeding, but ow. Dang, that hurt. Oh my God. Why you gotta be so rude? What, like, just so disrespect? I didn't even do nothing to you. Oh my gosh. These rubber bands are not loyal at all. Oh my word. That hurt, y'all. Like, did you hear that? Oh my gosh. That rubber band ain't no friend of mine. Oh my gosh, I can feel my lips swelling up right now. Like, y'all. Ah. Oh, that's 7. I don't need 7. I need. And if y'all think I'm being like a baby about this, that rubber band literally went like right here. Like, my lip is still sore. I feel it's like a pain. It's like someone's poking at it with like a little, like a scalpel or something. Dang, man. Is it called a scalpel because you're supposed to scalp people with it? By the way, quick note, you will get to a point at the, oh, my lip hurts when I talk. You will get to a point at the end when you will probably not have enough locks to do 2 full braids if you're doing the 6 locks per braid like I'm doing. So you may have to finagle and find a way around that with doing something. I'm not sure what, but we will see. And if you get to this thing where you have like right now I've got 4 locks, but 2 of them are from one of the strands are really short. So you just take one and turn it into the new one, and then now you got your 3 still, and you just keep it going. Keep it pushing, keep it moving. See that? Made lemons out of lemonade. Made lemonade out of lemons. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today because my lip is freaking out. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so that's one side of the braids. This is what it look like. And I still gotta do this side, obviously. So, yeah. And out, 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 out. And we are done. So, that's it. Got some braids, just chilling. So yeah, it's the final look. Pretty simple, pretty simpatico. But yeah, this will be a kind of a cool way to curl my hair for next week. What's going on next week? Nothing. I'm just curling my hair. So yeah. So this is a full 360, so y'all can see what it looks like. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my hair like this for the week and see how this looks. I'm not sure when, yeah. I'm trying to figure out when I'm gonna jump back into making videos more consistently. I'm not sure when that will be. I've been feeling just a little bit lack of inspiration, not really motivated to make many videos. Truth be told, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with this channel in terms of videos because I'm feeling like I'm hitting a wall and I don't know what else to do in terms of content. So if you guys have any suggestions, actually, I am asking y'all, what do you want to see as I go into this new, I don't know, era? I don't know. I think over the last 8 weeks, I only done 2 videos in 8 weeks. Or in 7 weeks, but I guess maybe 3 with this, counting this one. But my motivation hasn't been necessarily to make content for YouTube or to make videos for YouTube. And I think it's because I've been so busy with school, and also with school, my priorities, again, changing and things changing, and so I'm not sure what the future of this space is as of yet. But I will let you guys know as soon as I make a decision on what's gonna happen, okay? I don't think it's gonna go away. I don't think I'm gonna leave YouTube, but I think I may need to take a break or something. I don't know. So we will see if I continue with this in the same direction, if there's a new direction, going back to an old direction. I don't know. So we're gonna see what happens and all that stuff. So we just gonna see what's gonna happen. All right, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And what else? Every time, I don't know what to say on this part. I have no idea. Oh, questions? Leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this video, hair, anything really, let me know. Also, hit me up on any other type of social media like Instagram, Snapchat. I'm those two places most often. I am in those two places most often. So if you have something really quick and pressing, just hit me up there. All those links are in the description box below. Also subscribe. I don't understand why you haven't subscribed yet. What you doing with your life? Also hit that notification button so you can be on the notification squad if I can actually talk. But it doesn't really matter because the next video won't be coming out. Well, I'm gonna try and do the one for next week because of my hair. But like this whole like 3-4 week breaks that I'm taking. So maybe I'll see y'all in June. I don't really know. But we just gonna play it by ear, okay? Okay, cool. Well, until next time, again, the last video is up there in that corner. You can watch a playlist of more Dreadlock style tutorials right over there in that bottom. And over here, there's a little icon, subscribe. Click on that button. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. I'm not sure when that'll be, but hopefully it'll be sooner than later. All right? Peace, and keep it locked, y'all. All right? Young M.A out.